snow and insane wind. I heard the wind just ripping down here. I figured it would have just blown the thing apart. But I guess it didn't. Alright. So that's what it looks like from the truck. Let's see, is this thing even running? Okay, let me. It actually popped back up right there, where the oh gosh, I can't do this zoom in, but where the pole went through. Okay, I'm here to take this thing down, and this is Saturday, the 22nd of March, I believe, 2025. Alright, so got the door unzipped. It's a swimming pool in here again. See how much water this is? It's quite a bit. Quite a bit. The whole thing's a swimming pool. I can't believe it did not fall down completely. It's totally leaning that way. My camp chairs are soaking wet and my pads. Those will dry. I'm going to get those out of here and then attempt to dismantle this tent. Okay, so I got the floor all rolled up around the center pole butt and unzipped, so I sort of just dumped the water off of it and then rolled it up as I dumped the water out. But the pole, I didn't bring my screw gun to unscrew this pole from the floor, so it's going right through the floor, the tent floor. The rest of it, I don't know if I can take this down by myself, but I'm going to attempt to. I'm not sure what I should do. Sure is a pretty deck, isn't it? C'est la vie.